Did you know the man history remembers as a monster may have pulled off the greatest survival feat in sailing history? William Bligh was the captain of the Bounty. In 1789, his crew mutinied, led by Fletcher Christian. They dragged Bligh from his sleep, bound his hands, and dropped him into a 23-foot open boat in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. He had 18 men, almost no food, and no charts. What happened next gets forgotten almost every time. Bligh navigated 3,618 miles across open ocean using only a pocket watch and a sextant. He rationed food down to spoonfuls. He kept his men alive through storms, heat, and thirst. 47 days later, he reached Timor. Every single man survived. No navigator in history had ever done anything close to it, but the mutiny made a better story. Hollywood filmed it 3 times. Christian became the hero. Bligh became the tyrant. The rebellion got remembered. The miracle got buried. History tends to do that.